All right, you can see on your screen the breaking news that's just happened. This is a federal court dismissing an attempt. This was a case brought by United Australia Party. So Clive, part of that party, the only senator they have is Ralph Babet. They wanted to change essentially the rules around the scrutineering rules around any given referendum, including this one. This is whether or not a cross, simply putting a cross on your ballot paper, would count as a no vote. So you're going to be asked, do you approve this proposed alteration? And you're also being told by the AEC, I should stress, to write yes or no, and that will be on your ballot paper. So it's a pretty simple instruction, but the AEC has also outlined, when asked about it, the rules around scrutineering, what is accepted, generally speaking. A Y or an N are accepted as yes or no's, and a tick is accepted as a yes, but a cross is not accepted as a no. A cross is an informal vote, so it's not counted at all as any sort of vote. That led some on the no campaign, Peter Dutton, including Peter Dutton, to say that they believed this was not a fair fight, if you like. And as a result of that contention, this action was brought by Ralph Babet. The federal court has dismissed that, essentially upholding previous law. This has all come about through case law, if you like, precedents set in courts around what should be counted in a referendum. So this is the AEC applying the rules of previous court rulings. And this means, again, a tick will be accepted and a cross will not be accepted. So a tick will get a yes vote, a cross won't get any sort of vote at all. The AEC pointed out at the last referendum that we did have in 1999, the total rate of informal votes, so the entire percentage of informal votes, was 0.86%. Of course, there's many ways to get an informal vote, not just with a cross. So a cross was a percentage of that 0.86. So they were essentially trying to stress we don't have a big informal vote in Australia in terms of some of the commentary around what ticks and crosses might mean and the ruling of all of this. Nonetheless, that's been the outcome today after that attempted challenge by Ralph Babet from United Australia Party.